Hello everyone, welcome to this channel MathSKfunde. I'm sure all of you have been enjoying all the videos that I have uploaded by now. And these videos are mainly JEE Mathematics syllabus based videos. Now many of you have requested if I can go beyond JEE syllabus and if I can get some brain teasing problems, or you may call them mind tickling problems for you. I also decided why not? Surely I can do that. And it would go in form of a series. First in the series is today's video. And of course, JEE syllabus based videos will keep coming. Now, before I take today's problem, I'm just reminding all of you that I have one more channel where I give explanation in Hindi. And name of the channel is Aaj Aapko Kya Sikhaye. And link of that channel I give at the end of every video of this channel. So please watch those videos also, because whatever problems I discuss there, they are different from what I discuss here. So there is no end to learning. Please do that, right? So let us start today's problem. Now today's problem is that there is one semicircle, one circle is inscribed in it, and area of this inscribed circle is 16 pi. Now there is a tangent drawn to this circle, and distance between the tangent and end of the diameter is 8 units. No other information is given beyond this, and we have to get area of this dark green shaded portion. Now whenever nothing is given, I mean even in the names, it's better to give names, but do not give too many names also, because whatever you write those names, you should be able to handle them. That much only is expected. So let us start by giving names first and then the further steps. So first of all, I decide to give name to the centers of circle and semicircle, and maybe point of contact and other things, right? So C1 and C2 are the centers. Mind you, please, this C1 is on the diameter of that semicircle, not on the circle, right? And P is the point of contact. Now Q is the foot of another tangent drawn, which is parallel to the given tangent. And S is the other end of the diameter. Now we are given area of the circle. And how much is the area? Area is 16 pi. And we know area of the circle, like formula, that is pi r square. So that leads to r equal to 4. Means radius of that inscribed circle is 4. So that also leads to that PC2 is also 4, right? That may be needed later. Now, since radius is 4, so diameter is 4, this much. So that I have shown here as 8. Now only this SQ is left, which is unknown at this moment. So first of all, I feel that we need to give some name also here. And I name this as 2a. Now why 2a? It is only for my convenience, which you will realize in following steps. Now also radius of that semicircle we have not yet named. So I take radius as, say, capital R. Now we have to get expression for radius r also in terms of a. Now realize this, that this distance SQ is 2a. So 2a plus 8 plus 8. So that is the diameter's length. So that is 2a plus 16, right? So how much is the radius in that case? So radius is going to be a plus 8. So that capital R, which is the radius of semicircle, that is a plus 8. Fine. Now, what about C1, C2? This distance C1, C2. Now, C1, C2 would be this diameter of the semicircle minus 4. So, how much is the diameter? Just now we have found that is a plus 8. So, C1, C2 becomes a plus 8 minus 4. So, that gives you a plus 4, right? Okay. Now, look at this triangle PC2, C1. Now, this is a right triangle. And now we know C2P, that is 4. We know C1, C2 also, that is a plus 4. So only unknown quantity at this moment is PC1. Okay. So first of all, we will have to find out PC1, and then perhaps I may go for Pythagoras theorem. I mean, these are the steps in my mind. Okay. Now, how do I get PC1? Now, PC1, if I have to get, is this not a plus 8 minus PS? And how much is going to be PS? PS is going to be 2a plus the radius of that circle. So this way I will find PS is 2a plus 4, correct? Now, if I have to get now from here PC1, that would be a plus 8 minus 2a plus 4, and that gives me 4 minus a. And now you apply Pythagoras theorem on triangle PC1C2. Now, what will be that? That will give me C1C2 square equal to PC2 square plus PC1 square. Now just substitute expressions in terms of a. So a plus 4 whole square equal to 4 square plus 4 minus a whole square. Now simplify this, and that would lead to 16a equal to 16 means a equal to 1. And actually now you have almost reached the destination, I feel. Once a is known, now most of the things will get simplified. Okay, move further from here. And now I will say R is 9. Why? Because capital R, radius of that semicircle, was a plus 8. So capital R has become now 9. And now from here, I will write the required area. Required area would be, required area is semicircle's area minus area of this circle, which was given to be 16 pi, right? So it would be pi capital R square upon 2 minus 16 pi. Substitute value of R, that will give me 81 pi by 2 minus 16 pi. Simplify this. This would give me finally 49 pi by 2 square units. This is how we have found the required area. Actually, what it needed? It needed only this SQ to be named. Once you have written SQ as 2a, everything got simplified. And one more thing I want to insist on, emphasize on, that is that I have given only one unknown name, and from there we have found the required area. So try to give minimum names and simplify things and get your results. This is how we have simplified this particular problem. I will get something new for you on the next turn. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.